Welcome to HR and Leadership Coffee Talk, the podcast where we explore the future of human resources. I'm Edgar Jatu, an HR consultant with Officium LLC.
And I'm Day and Ape. I'm a business coach with a Success Partner. Today, we're examining the impact of AI and automation on the HR process and decision making.
It's a hot topic, Daya. AI and automation are revolutionizing HR in numerous ways. We're seeing AI-powered applicant tracking systems that can screen resumes more efficiently than humans. Chatbots handle initial candidate inquiries and even conduct preliminary interviews.
Yeah, that's right, Edgar. It's not just about efficiency. The technologies also enhance decision making. So AI can actually analyze vast amounts of data and identify patterns in employee performance, predict turnover risks, and even suggest personalized learning and development opportunities.
Absolutely. Let me give you a specific example. In recruitment, AI-powered tools can now write job descriptions that are more inclusive and effective at attracting the right candidates. They can analyze the language used in top-performing job posts and suggest improvements.
That is totally fascinating. Let's remember the candidate experience. I've heard so many people say that they never get response from applications, and yet using a bot now could be a 24/7 process. This would significantly improve engagement and reduce those dropout rates during the application process.
Yeah, and these investments sound promising, but we should also discuss potential drawbacks. One primary concern is bias in AI algorithms. If the historical data used to train these systems contain biases from humans, the AI could perpetuate or amplify those biases in hiring and promotion decisions.
Yeah, that's a crucial point, Edgar. It's essential for organizations to regularly audit their AI systems for bias and to ensure diverse teams are involved in developing and implementing these new technologies.
Agreed. Let's talk about how HR professionals can prepare for the AI-driven future. What are your thoughts, Daya?
Well, it's all about upskilling. HR professionals really need to develop a good understanding of data analytics, AI capabilities, and their limitations. So, focusing on honing skills that AI can't easily replicate, like emotional intelligence, complex problem solving, and ethical decision making.
I couldn't agree more. It's also about striking the right balance. While AI can handle many routine tasks, human judgment remains crucial, especially in areas like conflict resolution, mentoring, and fostering company culture.
Yeah. And you and I love to talk about stuff like that. So we could go on and on for hours, but we just want to have a short coffee talk today. But let's dig a little bit deeper. How is AI influencing decision making? What are you seeing?
Yeah, so AI provides HR professionals with data-driven insights to inform their decisions. For example, predictive analytics can forecast which employees are at risk of leaving, allowing HR to take proactive retention measures.
Yeah. So in my coaching practice, I am noticing that AI enhancing performance management. So they can analyze multiple data points from peer feedback to project outcomes to provide a more holistic view of employee performance. So this really moves beyond traditional employee performance reviews.
Right, and that's really powerful, but it also raises ethical considerations. Collecting and analyzing employee data raises significant privacy concerns. It's crucial to be transparent about what data is being collected and how it's being used, and also being mindful of any regulatory obligations you might have as an organization.
Oh, absolutely. That's changing all the time. State regulations are coming out, and of course, what we have in our own corporations are changing. I'm sure you're seeing more policy reviews and things coming out from your end. Yeah, and then AI should never replace human judgment. So AI can flag a potential issue or a concern on employee behavior, but it should always be a human who addresses this and has those crucial conversations.
Yeah, and that's a great point, Daya. And how do you see the role of HR evolving as AI and automation become more prevalent?
I think definitely HR is going to be more strategic. HR is handling, human resources, and now we have um, and then AI is kind of a blend of software and human, being that it's given some humanoid type tasks. But we've got to hand off value activities to the humans. Handling company culture and strategic planning and driving organizational change.
Yeah, I definitely agree with that. And HR will need to become more of a bridge between technology and people, ensuring that the AI and automation are implemented to benefit both the organization and its employees.
Yeah. So just wrapping up, what advice would you give to the organizations looking to implement AI and automation in HR processes?
My biggest advice would be to start small and scale up. Identify specific pain points in your HR processes and look for AI solutions that address these. Always involve your HR team in the selection and implementation of these technologies.
Yeah, absolutely. And do not ever forget the human element. Don't think that we can just drop something into the AI software and it's going to perform um, completely accurately, as we've seen some drawbacks in all of our industries. So we need to highlight how technologies will benefit the humans, not just the company.
Excellent point, Daya. And it's been a great discussion. To our listeners, this conversation has given you valuable insights into the impact of AI and automation on HR processes and decision making.
Yeah, just remember to embrace these technologies and keep the human in human resources. Thank you for listening to HR Leadership and Coffee Talk.
And until next time, keep innovating in your HR practices.
Wonderful. And if you would like to follow up with Edgar or I, here is our contact information for Edgar. Just find him on Calendly at Afikium LLC. And you have a QR code, and also both of these links will be in the show notes.